In this video, we are going to convert a decimal to a fraction. To convert a decimal to a fraction, we use place value to determine the number in the denominator. Simplify the fraction when possible. But it is important to note that sometimes it is not possible to simplify the fraction. In example 1, we're asked to convert 0.78 to a fraction. Because there are two place values after the decimal, or to the right of the decimal place, we put that many zeros in the denominator. In front of those two zeros, we put a 1, and then in the numerator, we put the 78. We could read this as 78 hundredths, but now we have to check to see if it reduces. Since the numerator and the denominator have even digits, we can divide by 2. This will give us 39 over 50. And if we check this, 39 is 3 times 13. 50 is 2 times 25, or you could also say 2 times 5 times 5. If we look at that, there are no common factors to divide out. So we are done at this point right here. 39 fiftieths is the lowest we can reduce that fraction. In example 2, we're asked to convert 0.125 or 0.125 to a fraction. I'm going to count the place values that exist after or to the right of the decimal point, and there are 3. So I'm going to put 3 zeros in my denominator with a 1 in front, and in the numerator, I'm going to place 125. This is the equivalent to 0.125. And if you think about this, this is the tenths, hundredths, thousandths place. So 125 thousandths is the fraction. Now we need to check to see if it reduces. Since both the numerator and denominator have either a 0 or a 5, we know this is divisible by 5. So we'll go ahead and divide both the numerator and denominator by 5, which will equal 25 over 200. Since both also continue to have a 5 or a 0 at the end, numerator and denominator, I can divide by 5 again. We could also say reduce the fraction by a factor of 5. So now I have 5 over 40. And since this pattern continues, both are divisible by 5 again, numerator and denominator. When this happens, I get 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 40 divided by 5 is 8. So my fraction reduces to 1/8.